माइक दिया था क्या आके चांस पे डाल एनीवे Pooja, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
And whatever we've
It
seen,
is my film, so yeah.
of course,
Thank
give it up
you
for
for
Ali
being here,
Sijama.
though.
Of course, you know. Thank you, yaar. मौका
Sorry, I'm in Diya character
I
right
know,
now, so
I know. Talking about that
Yeah.
character, you playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Diya is the perfect takkar to Dev's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that, he's being questioned about, which is, the line which he's saying that Police ya Mafia is written by Diya, because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
Softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We'll get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक performance, फिर चाहे charming hero वाली हो, romantic hero वाली हो, intensity या dramatic वाली हो, this man has killed it every single time. And इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा favorite superstar he is. Give it up for Shahid Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. अरे आला, देवा आला. And क्या energy लेके आया है. शायद it's a full house. It's like already, सब कुछ houseful हो चुका है. And they all are here to meet you. And of course the entire team. क्या बोलेंगे अब after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years, 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have, from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है. और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफ़र किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. आई वांट टू थैंक एवरीबडी who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So rest is up to you guys.
Just one last thing. We'll do a quick picture and then of course we'll take the questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity, because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा wait करते हो कि आपको कुछ next level पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिलेगा. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूँगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So, there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So, it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फ़ायदा है. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है. आप लोग देखो. Tell us what you feel. We've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, you know, where he's like giving his lines I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like, I think you're definitely gonna see a new Shahid because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense, and it's just amazing.
It's because, Pooja, I am Mafia.
Okay, okay. See, I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick picture with this team, right? So we'll do that and then we'll take your questions. क्या बात है सर, यहां भी देवा आ गया. उन्हें खुद यकीन नहीं है. He's like, oh, did I just do that? ज्यादा ही देवा आ गया. We good? Thank you so much. Can we quickly get the chairs, please? Thank you so much. Hanji. Ji Aruna.
Shahid. This side. Shahid, this side. Aruna from Bollywood Society.
Hi, Aruna, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? So Shahid, my question is for you कि आपने कई एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ फिल्मों में काम किया है, डांस सीक्वेंसेस किया है, डांस म्यूजिक किया है, तो ऐसी कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस जिसके साथ आपको बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्टी महसूस नहीं हुआ इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग?
ये बैठी हैं मेरे साथ, पूजा हेगड़े, इनके साथ बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके, बहुत मज़ा आया.
Can you
हमने
share the
कट के बाद ये
experience?
वाला स्टेप भी किया. Which is that one, Pooja? Yeah. So she loves dancing and so do I. So we had a lot of fun on the sets of Bhasar Macha.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. All right, for Pooja, we have Kunal Kothari from IWM Buzz.
Kunal.
Hello, hi, this is right here. Hi Pooja, first of all, congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks fantastic. And Pooja, my question for you is, having played, as you mentioned, and we know that you're playing a journalist, in the film, and the kind of, the vibe of the film is obviously intense, as you also rightfully mentioned. My question is that when you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the propeller of whatever happens in his life later?
I mean, I've always been attracted to check. Check. I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought, I love the intensity and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'll meet for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was, I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude. And she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. It's got, I don't know if that answers your question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope, Roshan sir, I've done justice to portray or Diya. And I have followed your brief.
Thank you. All right, for Siddharth sir, we have Sejal here. She has a question for him from Dainik Bhaskar. Sejal ji. Hi.
Hello, Siddharth. Hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Hi, I'm Sejal from Dainik Bhaskar. Yeah, my question is to what inspired you to produce Deva, and how did casting process go?
Well, I think the story is what inspired me most. So from the time that I met Roshan, it's a subject that we've been discussing from the very first time that we met, and the story is incredible, and that inspired me. And then secondly, watching his filmography, which is so incredible. He's such an iconic filmmaker from Malayalam cinema. The films that he's made. So the confidence that he would, that one is a story, then two is the ability of a director to deliver on that story. His filmography inspired that confidence completely. And so that's how the process began. And then when we went to Shahid, and he felt exactly the same way, that's how the whole project came together. So, but it started with the story.
All right, for Roshan sir, Jia from Hangama. Hi Jia. You have a mic?
Hi, Roshan sir.
Hi.
First of all, good afternoon. My question for you is, since the process of filming Deva was for 3 years, in the last 3 years, there are a lot of thriller and action films that are coming from both sides, North and South. Some have performed exceptionally well, but some did not. So when you were making the film, did that sort of that environment was affecting you while you were making, or was any decision was taken while filming on that fact?
I always believe in myself. I believe the instinct of mine. So action film, whether the other films run or not run, that's not bother me. For me, Deva, the actions in this film, all the actions I wrote myself. So the actions should be the part of the screenplay. It's not for the sake of the action. We've not added any action sequence. So all the action sequence is the part of the screenplay story structure. So I don't worry about other film run or not. That for me, Deva is important. If you people are enjoying it, I'm quite happy. That's it.
All right, the next one is for Mr. Umesh Bansal, Narendra Bhutani from Punjab Kesari. Sir.
My question is to Shahid Kapoor. Can I take my question, Shahid? Ete, on your right. हाँ. शायद हमने आपकी हैदर देखी और आज ये ट्रेलर देखा, दोनों में बहुत मजा आया. कुछ आप बता सकते हैं दोनों रोल्स के बारे में, कुछ क्या डिफरेंट, हाउ डिफरेंट इट इज?
सर हेयर कट सेम है, बाकी कुछ भी सेम नहीं है सर. बट शायद उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ी सी याद आई. बट इसमें एक्चुअली 2 लुक्स हैं देवा की, जो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ही हैज़ टू बी क्लीन शेवन. और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड रफ, किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सनकी टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है. लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है. उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है. तो इसके अंदर काफ़ी कुछ है. ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड हैं. ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन ऑल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क. तो एक चीज़ होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीज़ें कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज़ थी, उसका जो मूड था, बट उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे. इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है. तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, बिग राउंड अपलॉज फॉर अमित एंड केन, who's also here, the entire team is here. तो वो चीज़ें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो वोमो में बड़ी आवाज़ हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूँगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है दैट्स द रीज़न आई डिड दिस फिल्म, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग, बट ये उस कैटेगरी में आती है फिल्म जिसके बारे में आप देखने के बाद भी बात कर सकते हैं, शायद सेकंड टाइम भी देखने का मन करेगा उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए, बट साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, कहीं पे भी पेस स्लो नहीं होती है और बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड है फिल्म की और कैरेक्टर की हेड स्पेस की। तो फॉर मी दैट इज व्हाट देवा इज, इट इज द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट अराउंड बाय रोशन एंड द थ्रिलर एस्पेक्ट व्हिच कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप्स यू वंडरिंग कि हो क्या रहा है। दैट्स व्हाट इट इज।
Thank you so much. Narinder sir, your question.
हेलो सर, पहली बात तो ये पंजाबी और बनिया ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाता है ना सर, कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाता है एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि आप दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है कपूर्स का एंड बंसल्स का वो धूम मचाने वाला है। सो हर एक पंजाबी को एक बनिया चाहिए होता है जो बिजनेस संभाल सके, राइट? तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत तगड़ा मुझे दिख रहा है। अभी हमने टीजर देखा है, अब ट्रेलर भी देख लिया है और धूम मचाने वाला है, आई एम डैम श्योर। सो सर, उमेश सर, ये आपसे सवाल है कि कैसा है रिश्ता आपका पंजाबियों के साथ? मतलब पूरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपको दिख रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है, आपके हिसाब से आप कब जुड़े इनके साथ में इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद द कपूर्स?
आप पंजाबी हो?
हाँ जी, आप पंजाबी है जी।
इसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। कमाल की बात है, फिल्म मेकर मलयालम है लेकिन ये बंदा पंजाबी घुसा ही ले आया। यही हमारी बेस्ट चीज होती है ना?
पंजाबी आ गए।
वाह।
I think this is the most entertaining question I've ever had. But मैं सिर्फ ये ऐड करना चाहूँगा, यहाँ ऑल इंडिया है अगर आप स्टेज पे देखेंगे। So it's been a great experience. Siddharth comes with a lot of experience in the industry. He's already has the stature and he has the portfolio जिसमें हम लोगों को quality check is great, creative sense is great, he knows which projects to mount. He's been a partner whom we have fully relied on and we've gotten the great results that you've seen on the screen. But I would again say ये पैन इंडिया फिल्म है। हमने नहीं सोचा था ये कि ये पंजाबी और बनिया मिक्स हो रहे हैं, but you pointed out right, so hopefully this is the winning combination.
Thank you so much, sir. All right. So we have a question for Pavel from Kunal from India Forums. रिश्ते बहुत कराते होगे आप ऐसे, है ना? इसका
Yeah, hi again. Pavel, it's here. Right here. My hand is moving, yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi, no worries. Hi. Firstly, my actually question is for the both of you and you and Shahid as well, because there was a glimpse, obviously, towards the end of the trailer, which is, visible, the kind of, there will be a bond that the both of you share. And I think Shahid is known for, his bromance moments over the years, in his films and shows. So I want to know that, the kind of experience in that context that, whatever is the dynamic that you'll have in the film, but how does it translate off screen as well, and how has it been for the both of you?
I think my whole मेरा पूरा जो खाना था सेट का was sponsored by Shahid. Shahid has fed me around I think 10-15 दिन. He has got food for me. Yeah, सबको नहीं मिला. So Shahid used to get me a whole dabba, like a whole buffet for me. हाँ, मेरे घर पे कुक नहीं था उस दिन 10 दिन के लिए, so शायद was kind enough to get food for me, which was lovely. And मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो भी ऐड हो गया, so nicely done. But I think bromance on screen was fantastic because we got along very, very well off screen. I met Shahid I think before we shot, 10 days before I think Diwali पे कहीं पर, and I told Shahid कि did you know that time I was doing the film? Shahid knew. But that's the time I told him that I've grown up, copying his dance steps, and I joined Shamak because Shahid was in Shamak. So I've always been a big fan of his. Been a big fan of Roshan sir. And Siddharth sir, I just want to say, you were the first person who called me after Thappad release. So that was the biggest thing that I could get a call from you. So I've worked with this wonderful crew, and Shahid was literally the backbone of this. So thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, the next one is from Amar, Mama Razi se. Mama Razi.
Hello guys, hi Amar. There are very few trailers which make you wish that I can see the movie right after, and Deva did that to me. I have two questions, one for Shahid and one for Siddharth. Shahid, when we spoke last time, you said that the vibe on the sets does not importantly decide how will the performance shape up. Like for a movie like Heather, it will be semi-serious. For a movie like Teri Baaton Mein, the vibe will be light. What was the vibe on the sets of Deva? And my question for Siddharth, you said that the film, the idea of the film came years ago, and I wanted to ask you, what was the vibe, what was the brief which Roshan sir gave to you, and what did you tell him? Because it's his Bollywood debut, Hindi film debut.
Well, I think, it was about the story really. There was no brief other than him sort of, like narrating the story of the film. And it blew us all away. It blew me away, it blew our team away, Malvika, Insia, all our whole team from Roy Kapoor Films. Loved it and decided that we had to make it. And that's really where the journey began. So he didn't really have to give me much more of a brief than just saying what the story was.
All right, the next one is from... Achha. Sorry, yaar.
The vibe on the set was hard, bro. Hard.
All right, the next one is from Divya, India Forum se. Divya, where are you? Ji.
Hello, my question is to Pooja. So, we have seen different roles that you have been doing in recent years, and this one also looks completely different from the rest. So I want to know firstly that how is this, trying new roles and the versatility going for you? And secondly, as when he introduced you, you are known as the queen of crossovers. So what do you feel about that?
Thank you so much. I just felt like I was at that point in my career where the roles I do now will define me who I am as an actor. And I just wanted to take versatile roles like the other film of mine where I'm playing of very different characters compared to this. I think by that he means that I'm working in many languages about the crossover. I think it's a reflection of the films that I've done, and I've just always believed that to go wherever the content is good, and I've gone by my gut feeling. But my journey has always been it's not just been that one pan-India film. I think it's because I've worked in Telugu, I've worked in Tamil, I've worked in Hindi, and I've been loved and appreciated and accepted, which is a privilege, I feel. It's an honor, and it's truly humbling and makes me work harder. So thank you so much. And I don't know, maybe I'm a Mumbai girl who started my career in Tamil Nadu and got love and appreciation in Telugu, but I am from Karnataka originally, so maybe that helps too.
All right, Rahul from the Filmi Charcha. Aye.
हाय शाहिद योर सेंटर पूजा आप दोनों से कॉमन क्वेश्चन है कुछ सालों में देखा गया है कि आमतौर पे बॉक्स ऑफिस नंबर का इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है यहाँ तक कि हिट फिल्मों की एक सर्टिफिकेट मानी जाती है बॉक्स ऑफिस को आमतौर पे प्रोड्यूसर्स इसका प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा लेते हैं क्या एज एन एक्टर आप भी कभी प्रेशर लिया है आपने या एक्टर को भी लेना चाहिए आप दोनों का कॉमन क्वेश्चन
I saw something beautiful the other day. It says that as actors, we should be allowed to fail, okay? Because only when we fail, we will be able to give you something new. Otherwise, we get into the pattern of following the trend and following what kya chal raha hai, kya nahi chal raha hai. So I concentrate on what can I bring new, and that's where I am at in my life, and I can only answer for myself. I think agar hum देखे कि क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, like you know, I don't know, like box office is very important for sure as a producer, and I hope that Sid Roy Kapoor is raking in all the money for this film. But at the same time, I feel like it's not a pressure that I should take, because as long as I do the job that has been commissioned to me right and fair enough, that pushes me more than box office numbers. और बहुत बार हम देखते हैं कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है पर बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चली, पर 10 साल के बाद it's like a super hit film. And we are like, Arey, why didn't this film really work at the box office? So as long as you make something that lasts for generations and people come back to you and say, that was a really good film, that is what I strive for.
शायद
तेरा सवाल क्या है कि मतलब पिक्चर पैसे बनाएगी उसका प्रेशर लो, मतलब क्या है?
नहीं, क्वेश्चन सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है कि आमतौर पर प्रोड्यूसर का ये प्रेशर होता है कि एज एन
सब पे होता है, प्रोड्यूसर पे का पैसा होता है, लेकिन प्रेशर सब पे होता है, यू नो, बिकॉज नोबडी वांट्स टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ अनसक्सेसफुल फिल्म. ये तो कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा. और आप फिल्में ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हो, ऑडियंस आएगी नहीं तो दिल तो टूटता है, यू नो, और बहुत बार टूटता है. और वही हमारा, लाइक शी इज सेइंग, यू नो, वी फेल एंड वी विल फेल. और कोशिश हमेशा ये होती है कि जितने लोगों को आप फिल्म दिखा सको आप दिखाओ, लेकिन हर फिल्म की कहानी अलग होती है, उसकी रेंज अलग होती है. अगर आप सिर्फ इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से फिल्में बनाओगे कि ये कितने लोग देख सकते हैं, तो आप एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन कभी कभी लिमिटेड हो जाओगे. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप या तो 100 मीटर की रेस भाग सकते हो, उसमें सिर्फ वही बनाओ, भी जो चल रहा है बनाओ बनाओ बनाओ. अगर आपको लंबी रेस भागनी है तो आपको अपने आप को इवॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, आपको अलग अलग चीज़ें करने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी. जैसे आप देखते हो ना, क्रिकेट में बड़े सारे नए प्लेयर्स आते हैं, IPL में बहुत सारा अच्छा खेलते हैं, फिर इंटरनेशनल टूर पे जाते हैं तो नहीं चलते, क्योंकि उन्होंने एक ही चीज़ के लिए प्रैक्टिस की है. फिर वो 2 साल स्ट्रगल करते हैं, फिर वो टेस्ट मैच खेलना सीखते हैं, फिर वो 50 ओवर्स खेलना सीखते हैं, फिर वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, साउथ अफ्रीका में खेलना सीखते हैं. तो वो लॉन्ग जर्नी होती है फिल्म की, है ना. तो अगर आपको एज एन आर्टिस्ट ग्रो करना है कि आप 30, 35, 40 साल काम कर सकें, तो आपको अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें करनी पड़ेंगी. उसमें हिट्स भी होंगी, फ्लॉप्स भी होंगी, लेकिन आपकी जर्नी ग्रो करेगी. You know, but of course, every film we do, we wanted to do extremely well, and we do our best to do that. And Deva, to from the beginning, we are saying is a film for the audience, for the masses. We made it to entertain you, but it's an intelligent film. हमारे डायरेक्टर मलयालम हैं.
फिल्म अच्छी है या बुरी है, बॉक्स ऑफिस से किस हद तक जज करना सही है?
यार तू ही बता दे. हम तो यहाँ पे सबको खुश करने आए हैं बेटा, उसके आगे अब, you know, we try our best to make everybody happy, yeah, but the film should be for the audience.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
शाहिद,
I believe you raised your
शाहिद,
hand.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है. शारिक शेख फ्रॉम INS यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
शायद यहाँ पे शायद जैसे आप फिल्म में देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है काफ़ी जो है, मतलब कि फिल्म में आप दिखा रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस काफ़ी काम कर रही है. तो यहाँ पे भी हम देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है इतना काम कर नहीं रही है. और रिसेंटली जो है सैफ अली खान के ऊपर अटैक जो हुआ है उसके ऊपर एक रिएक्शन देखना चाहिए.
पुल्स आ जाएगी, पुल्स. Okay, Amar, I believe you were asking some question.
Hi, Umesh sir, my question is for you. How does the slate for 2025 looks like for Z Studio? What's coming up next?
We've just announced the slate for the first 3 months. So पहले 3 महीने का slate हमने दिखाया है. हमारी कोशिश ये है कि ऑडियंस को जो हर फ्राइडे थिएटर्स में मूवी देखने की एक हैबिट थी उसको वापस लाएं. वो सही कंटेंट से आ सकती है और सही फ्रीक्वेंसी से आ सकती है. वहाँ पे देवा हमारे लिए एक हाई पॉइंट है. हमने उससे पहले भी 2-3 फिल्में रिलीज़ की हैं, 2-3 बाद में भी आ रही हैं अक्रॉस लैंग्वेजेस. सो द आइडिया इज़ टू गेट द ऑडियंसेस बैक टू द थिएटर्स and look forward to this high point in this journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Prachi Sharma has a question for Siddharth sir, I believe. Ji.
Hello, sir. Here. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks amazing. Sir, my question to you is that we've seen Heather and we've seen Kamine, and both of you are coming after, you and Shahid are working together after a very long time. So how was the experience?
I think the experience working with Shahid is always quite incredible because of the extent to which he gets involved in every project. I mean, the fact is that he gives his life to it. And from Heather to Kamine, I think this is the 6th film that we're working on together. But the intensity hasn't dimmed at all, which I think is incredible across more than a 20-year career. So the fact that he's able to keep that level of intensity and involvement and passion for what he does, I think inspires everyone around as well. And I think in Roshan, he met his match in terms of the level of intensity. So, so when he says it was a hard on-set experience, I think he really meant it. But he meant it, I think, finally in the best way possible, which is that hard experience sometimes leads to great results.
All right, so that's all we have for you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a quick photo op. जी, हो जाए? क्या हो गया? हाँ हाँ, कोई नहीं, आइए, पूछिए. हाँ, पूछिए.
मेरे अंदर देवा आ गया
रियल लाइफ में.
बेटा 1 साल आया हुआ ही था. भसड़ मचा में तो फुल आया हुआ था. नहीं, जो आप कह रहे हैं वो बहुत ही सैड इंसिडेंट है एंड हम सब कंसर्न्ड हैं. हम सब फ्रेटर्निटी से बहुत बहुत कंसर्न्ड हैं. आपने इनडायरेक्टली पूछा, आप डायरेक्टली पूछते ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्टेबल लगता. You know, because we hope that Saif's health is better and we hope that he's feeling better. और आई थिंक हम सब बहुत ही शॉक थे जो हुआ उसके साथ. इतनी पर्सनल स्पेस में बहुत ही मुश्किल चीज़ है अब्जॉर्ब करना मुंबई जैसे शहर में. यहाँ पे आई एम श्योर पुलिस पूरी कोशिश कर रही है. ऐसा होता नहीं है मॉब में. बहुत ही मुंबई सेफ शहर है. यहाँ पे आप प्राउडली कहते हैं कि 2 बजे 3 बजे भी अगर आपका कोई फैमिली मेम्बर, कोई लेडीज़ हो, वो अगर रोड पर जाएं तो बहुत सेफ रहता है. तो बहुत ही शॉकिंग इंसिडेंट है एंड वी आर होपिंग दैट यू नो उनकी हेल्थ जल्दी रिकवर करें. वी आर होपिंग एंड प्रेइंग फॉर हिम ऑल द टाइम.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for this team one more time. है ना? Or it's time for a final photo op with this entire team. We'll quickly remove the